Okay, in this short tutorial I'm going to talk about if statements. If statements can be used in a wide variety of programs that we use in school. To illustrate and show you, I'm using Excel. So the idea is I've got a child report. John Smith, original name. These are John Smith's scores throughout his 6 terms on doing maths, and it's in a percentage because there's my information there. Also in the green section we can start to see the class average. So the class average was 75%, 74, 70, 71, 72 and 73. On John Smith's report we want to indicate whether he's above or below the class average. Okay, so to do that we've used an if statement. So if you have a look in that cell in the formula bar there, you can see the if statement. So quite simply put, if cell A7 is greater than cell A4, then the first statement is true, so this would be the true, then he would be above his target. The second statement there would be false, so if he's not above the target of 75, then we should see the word below. Okay, so this formula I've copied across, so if I show you there, the cells change obviously because we're looking at those 2 sets of data and that one there, and you can see that of course in term 6, so at the end of the summer he's above the average. Now let's just double check and make sure that our if statement works. So the class average on term 3 was 70, so from my if statement, if I change that to something above 70, I should get the above the class average size. So let's put 71. There we go, and that automatically changes. So with if statements, when you're doing it in Excel, it's always best to check the data. Don't just put the if statement in and assume that it's correct. But there you go. So if C7 is greater than C4, then the first statement will always be true, and that one would always be false. I'm just going to quickly show you. If I type equals if in here, you can see here, it just as a reminder as you're typing it in, that's what you want to do. So that's your something is greater than, or something is less than, or something is greater and equals to, and so on. And there you go. So true would always be the first. So if it's true, what we're going to do, or if it's false, what are we going to do?